Alright, how to use the Copilot Chat in Visual Studio 2022. Alright, so the absolute first thing you're going to have to do is simply download the Visual Studio software from your browser. So you simply have to go to the official website, then look for the desired version and download it. So once you've got it open, you will then have to complete the installation process. But once it's done, you will then have to navigate to the top right of your screen and you should be able to see the Copilot installation section. So simply click on this to start installing Copilot. So we now have to download the necessary packages, so this will take some time. And once you have it installed, a Copilot chat will then come up, and if it doesn't, you can also find it in the view menu. So the chat window is where you will then be able to interact with Copilot, so you can ask questions about your code, programming concepts, or anything related to development. But one thing you should always keep in mind is Copilot is context aware, so it only understands the code that's open on your editor. This means you can ask questions like, what does this function do? How can I optimize this code? Or anything else. And Copilot will then be able to generate code snippets based on your prompts. And another cool thing, it can also explain existing code, making it super easy to understand complex logic. So that's how to use the Copilot chat on Visual Studio 2022. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.